I'm Nidhhi Agerwal and I'm going to show you a few home remedies which are actually secrets, but I'm going to show just y'all. So as you know, sometimes we have shoots and your skin gets really tired with the constant touch up and the powder and the brush strokes and all of that. So something that I genuinely use very often is ice. I think you can use it before your makeup, before you go to sleep. And my makeup artist a lot of time recommends me to just use ice when your skin's looking tired or you feel you're looking bloated. Sometimes, so you just take a few cubes of this in a towel or in this malmal cloth. Get that. It's really helpful. And yeah, just rub it all over your face, and it feels amazing. It really does. It just instantly awakens you. So that's great. I think that is the best tip. But also, so I just went to Goa and I got pretty tan because I was swimming and I was on the beach the whole time. So one thing that really helps to deal with the tan, and this is really basic but it helps a lot, is tomato. Cut like this. I have no idea why, but this is what my mom's taught me. There's something with the skin of it or something like that, and you're just supposed to take it and rub it anywhere on your knees, elbows, face, neck, back, your entire body. And trust me, it burns, it burns a lot. So that's when you know that it's really doing its job, which is removing your tan. So that's really helpful. Now one more thing that I do sometimes when I have a lot of time on my hands and all of that. So this is some yogurt, home. This is not packaged yogurt or anything. This is just set at home. There's that. Now take some lime. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna keep this here. I love lime. I eat it all the time. And you squeeze it in this. So I don't know, there's something about it being acidic and some base and something, I have no clue what, but your skin looks really good after this. And it's a good anti-aging, skin tightening remedy. I don't know why I know of it at this age, but it just gives you this glow, which is nice. So yeah, I've squeezed that. Also diet wise, I think just eating a lot of lime. I eat about 3-4 lemons a day. I just love lime. People find it weird, but that's fine. So there's some special honey that I've got from New Zealand when I was traveling, and it's supposed to be really good. So I like buying good honey, but honestly anything's okay. This much is good enough. You don't need to use too much. Now put this. It's gonna be a bit sticky, but yeah, just do that. Mix it. It's smelling a bit tasty, but I can't eat it. So yeah, once it becomes like this, you can just apply it again wherever, on your face, neck, hands, legs, whatever part you want to sort of just give a nice glow to. I'm going to show you a little bit. Just take some on your hands and yeah. So it's light. You can leave it on for about half an hour or something. This also burns a little bit, but because it has lime. So you can leave it on for about half an hour, have a nice shower after this, moisturize your skin, and it just feels really good. Somehow I think that the lesser you do to your skin, the lesser artificial products you use is better, because they all have fragrance which is artificial, and that's not good for your skin, it's really damaging. So it's nicer to use these things. They're cheaper, they affect you more. And yeah, these are home remedies, so it's always nicer to use stuff like this. But one thing that you should definitely do if you don't want to do any of this is use ice. Trust me, it works wonders because it closes your pores. Living in a city like Bombay with so much pollution and heat, your pores just open up, but with ice, it all gets closed, and then you look like you have porcelain skin and all of that. So that's really nice. So I think my ritual would just be to, so I wash my face. Sometimes I ice it. If I'm feeling bloated also, I ice it. It just immediately reduces bloating if you haven't slept and if you have puffy eyes or you've cried or whatever it is. It really helps. So that, a nice moisturizer all over, not too heavy, water based, because we live in Bombay. So water based. But if you live in another place that's really cold and dry, then oil based is also good. And yeah, I think the most the most important thing in this world for every girl and maybe some guys out there is to clean your face before you go to sleep. That is so important. I always say, when you're taking off all your makeup and all, take it off and use an extra cotton pad to still take off the small tiny dots that are remaining, because that is what will clog your pores. So yeah, that's the most important thing.